Hello, my name is Valentina Fuentes, a veterinary medicine student, and this is our project. I will start by talking to you about veterinary medicine and public health. Your relationship is extremely important since public health goes from the farm to the table. Thus, having food security, bringing quality products to the table of 100 Colombians. But in our profit plant, we have some problems that we will talk about below water quality, and the management of solid and liquid waste is a major problem, and other aspects to take into account are the infrastructure of the benefit plants. These problems are very important because they can contaminate the canal and cause disease to the Colombian population. The quality of waters is affected because 500 liters are spent per animal per day, of which they must be potable. However, after being used, they end up as waste and nothing is done with all that water that is left over or leaf productions. The use of solid and liquid waste is their management. Why? Because they are not always stored correctly, nor is something done with them. We give an important example, such as the ruminal content of the cows. This is usually discarded on side of the benefit plant and nothing is done with it. This attracts files that are a very invasive silver and contamination to the plant. This is why our civil engineer Carlos will propose solutions to these problems.
Finally, a treatable area must be specified for dumping and soil waste, which is a part of an industrialization cycle or is as simple adapted to different places and or sites as organic matter for fertilizing crops. Cattle manure is an important source of nutrients, and if not treated properly, it can become a source of contaminants for groundwater tables and soils. The cows extract between 17 and 85% of nitrogen and between 58 and 75% of phosphorus in feces and urine. A viable alternative for the treatment of feces is a composting, which is defined as the biological deficiency of organic waste in an aerobic environment, and vermicompost when various species of worms participate during the process. Organic fertilization can meet the nutrients demand of crops, significantly reduce the use of fertilizers, improving soil and plant characteristics.
Water quality for the benefit plants most warranted is requirements about like temperature, pressure, and distribution. The water first. The storage tank must be constructed or like material that guarantee the probability of water and minimum capacity. Second, drinking water vibes allow the transfer quantities of superficie of water to the plants in the establishment. Third, the establishment must identify hydraulic system of the plants. For have plants on hydraulic system, the plants as have manual is the operation. Five, have a core of hot potable water with adequate of requirement of the animals in sacrifice. Six, only no potable water might be used in the fight again in the production of sacrifice.
Hello, my name is Carlos Andrés Hernández Sepúlveda. I am a civil engineering student at the Agraria University, and today I will talk about the rainwater collection and purification system. To get started, a civil engineer is the branch is responsible for design, construction, and maintenance of infrastructure such as roads, railways, bridges, canals, dams, ports, airports, and others which will transform cities. With respect to design, the ramps must be made of a road, high friction material to prevent the animals from sleeping and not cause mishaps at the time of slaughter. Finally, a suitable area must be specified for the dumping of solid waste, which is part of an industrialization cycle or simply adapted to different places and or sites as organic matter for fertilizing crops. What is sought is to adapt a system for the collection, purification, and distribution of rainwater for the use of different water resources in this type of establishment. It should be clarified that the system cannot be implemented in all types of places, since it is necessary to have a watershed study of the place where the installation is required. In general, the systems are implemented in places with high rainfall.
All these solutions will help in pest control, waste management, and the use of drinking water to have water quality, minimizing contamination in the canal, leading to excellent food safety by offering the consumer high quality of meat products. Thank you.